The discovery of the first room temperature, ambient pressure superconductor is a significant breakthrough made by a South Korean research team. By modifying a lead-apatite structure and replacing lead ions with copper ions, they successfully created a material that exhibits superconductivity below 127 degrees Celsius. This discovery is a major leap in the field of superconductivity, but it has also sparked great controversy and discussion. A superconductor is a substance that loses electrical resistance at extremely low temperatures and can conduct electric current without loss. However, this phenomenon usually occurs only at extremely low temperatures, which poses a great challenge for practical applications. The importance of this research is that they succeeded in achieving superconductivity at room temperature. This was achieved by modifying a lead-apatite structure and substituting copper ions for lead ions, creating stress that induces distortions in the microstructure. This discovery is a major breakthrough in the field of superconductivity, but it has also caused great controversy and discussion. Although the results of this study are encouraging, we must also recognize that this research still faces many challenges. First, the results of this study need to be verified by other research teams. In addition, we need to find a way to achieve superconductivity on a larger scale, which is crucial for practical applications. Despite these challenges, we remain optimistic about this research. This research provides us with a possible way to achieve superconductivity at room temperature. This will open up new avenues for our technological development. If you have any thoughts or questions on this topic, please leave a comment below and we will answer your questions in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our latest videos. Goodbye.